Welcome to Python for Scientific Research. I am thrilled to have you here and excited to guide you on this journey into the world of Python programming, tailored specifically for scientific research. This course is designed to equip you with the essential Python skills needed to analyze, visualize, and interpret data in a scientific context. Whether you are a researcher, a student, or a professional looking to enhance your skills, this course has something valuable to offer. No prior programming experience is necessary. You will start from the basics and gradually build up to more complex topics. What you will learn throughout this course, you will set up your Python environment, learn how to install Python, and essential tools like Miniconda and Jupyter Notebook to create a productive coding environment. Master Python programming fundamentals. Understand the core concepts of Python programming, including data types, control flow, functions, and modules. Next, handle files and directories. Get hands-on experience with file handling in Python, which is crucial for managing and processing large data sets. Next, perform scientific computations. Dive into scientific computing with libraries like NumPy and SciPy, and learn how to perform statistical analysis. Next, create data visualizations. Discover how to create informative and visually appealing plots using Python's powerful plotting libraries. Next, explore geospatial AI. Get introduced to geospatial data processing and artificial intelligence with practical examples and case studies. Finally, apply knowledge in real-world case studies. Work on case studies that replicate real-world research scenarios, allowing you to apply the skills you have learned in a practical context. How to get the most out of this course? To maximize your learning experience, practice regularly. Don't just watch the videos. Follow along with the coding exercises and quizzes. Next, ask questions. If something isn't clear, don't hesitate to ask questions in the course Q&A section. Engaging with your peers and the instructor can deepen your understanding. Next, experiment. Don't be afraid to experiment with the code and try out new things. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Take notes. Jot down key concepts, useful commands, and tips as you progress through the course. A few final words. Learning Python for scientific research is a rewarding journey that opens up countless possibilities in data analysis, modeling, and visualization. By the end of this course, you will have a strong foundation in Python and be well equipped to tackle a wide range of scientific research tasks. Thank you for choosing this course. Let's get started. And I look forward to seeing the amazing things you will achieve with Python. Note, the course scripts we will use during the course are available on my blog, SmartRS, or inside resources.